Yes,
So lagi yun na,
super sakit.
So lagi yun nakakasakit na hindi mo sinasadya.
Hala, super.
Huy! Huy!
Hala, super.
Isang sampal, gusto ko yung totoo. Ay, ko yung peke. Oh, yes.
How did you react to that nung sinabi niya na...
Uy, may backstory kasi yun.
Okay, go, kwento.
Sa backstory din, what?
Kwento.
Dun sa pinto.
May sa pinto.
Go, Kimi.
Di ba yung ano kasi
I
yun?
felt I'm so sorry again. May, dun
So,
sa eksena,
nagkasakitan kami ni Sam talaga ng severe.
ako, syempre hindi ko naman sinadya. It was a scene na parang pinapalabas ko siya sa pinto. So, na-stuck yung pinto. So, tinutulak ko siya sa palabas ng pinto. Na-stuck yung pinto. Pero tinulak ko pa rin siya, natamaan siya sa, dun sa likod. Na may, dun sa, yes, ang lakas. So, we had to stop taping kasi it was super sakit sa kanya.
Okay.
And that was, it was right where the lapel was on her back also. So, parang diretso na sa,
Okay.
it was, on her, tailbone. Yeah, on your tailbone. Yes, on your
So
tailbone.
lagi
It was
yun
super sakit.
So lagi yun nakakasakit na hindi mo sinasadya.
Hala, super.
Huy! Huy!
Hala, super naman talaga.
Anyways,
Hala, super naman talaga ni Sam. Mabili
let's
talaga.
go back to our kwento.
Mga one-liners.
person. And then you...
Kayo na si Sam.
And then you...
Kaya ako sa may solo interview ka naman.
Ganun naman, I'm sure. But anyways, so the scene after that was yung sampalan na
Sa gumante.
I don't think sinadya. I really wanted that. Pero nagulat ako sa sobrang lakas ng sampal niya.
Kaliwa kanan.
I think both. I don't know. Baka
Kasi
parehas
may
eh.
backstory
Pero
kasi
sampal, malakas talaga eh. But it was a good scene. It came out nice. I was a bit surprised lang na ang lakas. Nadadala sa eksena. That's how it's supposed to be. I want that. I
Hindi
like
ba
that.
namula, namaga?
I don't... Baka
Nawala.
konti, yes. But I like that.
Nadala din
Yun
ako.
yung gusto ko eh. Not in real life naman eh. Pero I want to feel like I'm in the scene. Yun ang gusto ko. Ayoko na yung peke na nasampal. Gusto kong totohanan, yung totoong sampal.
Yung nasasaktan ka.
No, not exactly. But I want to feel like I'm in the scene.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Bigyan na ng losotan to.
Anyways, yes, it was a good scene. End of story. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Okay na.
Your side of
Hindi,
the story.
akin kasi, yung notebook ko, sinundan ko lang. Siya kasi yung nagpakulong sa akin.
Nasa ang level of anger sa notebook.
Yeah, level 100 yun with 5 stars pa yun. So yun na yung pinakarurok talaga ng character ko. Kasi kakalaya ko lang. Then, pinalabas na pa ito sa parang, kakalaya ko lang, hinanap ko siya. So yun, so meron siyang pinanggalingan. But at the same time, nanggaling din sa Nara na pintuan. Tumama sa...
So parang